After you receive the packaging machines, you should check the height of the case machine. The conveyor belt of the case machine should be lower than the conveyor of packaging machine. Check the flap of the case machine. The gap between the flap and the floor should be as small as possible, but it cannot contact the floor. How to run the paper cup packing machine? Turn on the packing machine. Turn on the temperature controller of horizontal sealing bar. Turn on the temperature controller of vertical sealing bar. Check the temperature controller is working well. Turn on the air supply. This temperature is for the horizontal sealing bar. This temperature is for the vertical sealing bar. If the film is HDPE film, the range of horizontal sealing bar is 175 degrees to 185 degrees. The vertical sealing bar, the range is 130 degrees to 140 degrees.
If your film is LDPE,
the horizontal range is 165 degrees to 180 degrees. The vertical side is 120 degrees to 130 degrees. First, we should feed the film. This roller don't need to move, but this side should against the roller. You only move this side, this roller. The film should against the roller. Feeding the film according to the film drawing. Pour the film. If the direction is wrong, you should turn the film direction. Then you pour the film. Raise the roller. The direction now is correct. Raise this roller. You can pour film very easily. After you feeding the film via the pressure roller, you should press the roller on the film. Turn on the pressure roller. Press the film. Press the manual film advance to feed the enough length of film. Then, according to the separator, separate the film. Total 3 separator. This separator should against the film. This separator also against the film. And this one, you should leave the margin about 3 to 4 centimeters. You can adjust the separator by the screw on it. Make the film flat. Then close the door. Press the jaw lock to close the jaw. Press sealing to seal the film.
then press the jaw lock again to open the jaw.
Then open the door to take the waste film out of the machine. You can check now there is an alarm about the jaw is not closed. So you need to solve this alarm first. Press the jaw lock button to close the jaw. Now the color turned to green. It means it's normal now. Measure the diameter of paper cup is 150. Now we set the size of cups into the touch screen. The diameter is 115. SV means the quantity of cups per sleeve. Press run to run the machine.